Shalom. We come back again for our lessons weekly. We learn from the Joshua these lessons. The title was The Conflict Behind All Conflicts, found in Joshua chapter 10, verse 14. So, this man of God that has been replaced Moses, he is become commander. He's an army of God. Why is it so? Reading pages that Joshua confronted with aggressive military campaign carry out confirm is a command of God. So then he is actually not only a commander of Israelites army replaced the Moses, but also God emphasized God himself are the one who are telling to Joshua, Moses, my servant has died. So God himself calling him upon the Joshua as inferior. He knows that Moses has a capable, talented, a man of God, and he is feeling inferior. Until then, God called him. And God emphasized him. He is also commander not only for army and the sin with his eyes, the Israelites, but also the army unseen with his eyes, which is leading by the angels of the Lord, the army of God. It is emphasized that he is the commander. So due to the conflict, he will enter the Canaanites and many obstacles that he fight for. But God himself promised that God will fight for him in the battles. So there will be a champions, conquer the Canaanites on the time. So it is a good lesson also for us. God populated universe responsible for his character. He gave free will. So then this even during the times that Isaiah and Ezekiel describes this conflict, the God and Satan's, and leading to the other angels were followed, the fallen angels. But God has a great plan for the world. The world has been fallen into sin, but God's love actually emphasizing for Christ for to uh, become atonement for the world. For those who are receiving Christ should not perish but have everlasting life. That is the emphasizing that as a man of God, as a Christian, that we don't have to worry whatever the battles may you facing today. The Lord will involve as you welcome Him, as you depend on Him, as you receive on Christ. Just like Joshua, the army of God will fight for your battles. What does the problem encounter in your life today? May the Lord will be the one who fight for you. You only stand still. You only waiting that the Lord will lead you all the way.